Krishna Prabhu.
Krishna.
What's your good name?
Maria.
Mario. How old are you?
28.
28. And you're from?
Croatia.
Croatia. And what is the health problem?
I have problem here.
Back pain.
Back pain.
And
And I don't feel this Bluetooth.
glutes.
Yes, I don't feel Bluetooth. Don't feel this.
Pain.
Don't feel.
No senses.
No senses.
No senses. Okay. And what else?
And little this. No senses.
Muscle. No sense.
No sense.
How long?
6 months.
6 months.
Yes.
Hmm.
Maybe long.
Maybe long. Okay.
So,
And anything else? Any more problem?
no.
No.
This crash.
Crash?
Yeah, crash with another bike.
Bike.
Yeah.
Accident with bike.
And my skin.
Oh, okay. Okay. Your finger, what is the problem?
I don't feel. I don't.
No, it doesn't straight. Yeah. It's different. Okay. How long this?
No work.
How long?
4, 5 months.
Yeah. 4-5 months.
Mm.
Okay. Okay. Ready. Passing है तो थोड़ी शांत Play. Okay. Breathe. Yes. Yeah? Хорошо? How much better?
More.
More? How much?
My
100. From 100, 60, 70, 50, 10, 20,
60.
60?
Yeah. 60.
60? Sure.
60, 70.
60, 70?
Yeah.
Sure.
Maybe more.
Maybe more?
80.
80.
Yeah.
Check. More free?
More food, yes.
Before tight. No sitting like this.
Any energy.
Huh?
Any energy.
How you feel?
Very nice.
Very nice?
Yes.
Back?
Good.
Shoulder?
Yes. Sugar.
Better?
Yes.